Okay, y'all, we back at it again with yet another crimped unit. Come through Outre with the beautiful wave pattern on this one and this color combo. Yes, honey, I am living for it.
Cut it, hey, cut it, hey, cut it. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy like poco a poco. Nothing like the peace of mind defining my being. Seeing is believing, and I'm speaking what I'm breathing. Seek what they hide, meet their demise. Sleep with the lies, greet their disguise. Reap what you sow when you know you're exposed. Creep on the low, then you go and impose. Even time can't tell me what to do. Hopping in my mind, what's been up with you? You reside in the broad of the new. Everything you have been defying the truth, denying the proof. I can see the lies in your eyes like a bruise, hiding the clues. Everything you have been defying the truth. Time don't stop for no man or woman. Climb to the top, but let the drop make you Norman. Live within your thoughts until you're lost inside of nothing. Take a couple shots, I got a pocket full of something. Would you rather elevate or perpetrate your sadness? Would you rather escalate or resonate your madness? Tell me what's the status? Where's your apparatus? When you live erratic, can't be scared to feel the static. Even time can't.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. So of course you know it's another Outre unit. The name of it is Sonya. I'm wearing it in the color chocolate covered honey. And it is very pretty. It's very different, but I really love this color combination. So let me just pop right into the specs of this one for you guys. So this unit does come with a singular HD lace parting space that's going right down the middle. It does come pre-plucked. It does have HD lace. It does have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. I feel like the plucking on this one was honestly kind of minimal, but the reason I really don't see a gigantic issue with it not being super plucked is just the fact of the way that the hair falls itself. You're not really needing to show the size and everything. So let me just come in and show you what the hairline actually looks like. So as you guys can probably see, it's kind of like minimal lace, minimal plucking going on, but it's definitely not atrocious or anything by any means. And like I said, I feel like you don't necessarily need to go super hard with the plucking it out and everything unless you kind of wanted to do this sort of look with the hair going back. But I wasn't trying to do all that. I kind of like it as it is, so I don't really see that as being a big issue. But definitely do note that if you do pick this one up, it's not going to be super plucked out. I feel like you can get away with wearing it just how I did, with doing a little swoop to give it a little bit of realistic vibe, because it does come with very sparse baby hairs, so you definitely can't get away with just wearing it as is out of the box if you want to. So the cap size on this unit is definitely coming off small and medium head friendly. I didn't adjust the straps at all, you guys, and it's fitting my head very snug. So I do think if you do have a larger size head, I absolutely would stray on the side of caution with this one, because I'm not really feeling much stretch to the cap. It is fitting my head like very snug, honey. So definitely be careful if you do have a larger sized head. The density on this one, you guys, this is all the hair to the front, and it is very full. It's at least 150%. I'm kind of leaning more towards 180%. I do like the fact that even though it is fuller hair, it's not giving me like too crazy sort of vibes, if that makes sense. It is very full. So also, let me just give you guys a length check. I am 5'3" for reference, and it does come just to my boobs, so I really actually do like the length on this one. Like I said, it's the chocolate covered honey, so the vibe that it's giving me is it's like a number 4 on the top. And then as you can see underneath, it kind of has this 27 or 30 type of color. So I feel like the color was very nicely done, you guys. The texture on this is coming off with a mix of silky but also a medium yucky texture, if that makes sense. I'm not getting any tangling, I'm not getting any shedding. It's very, very soft. It feels like honestly the quality of this hair was done very, very well, so I definitely am here for that. So also this unit is heat safe up to 400 degrees. As you guys probably saw in the video, I did go in and add some heat because I was getting a little bit of hump action, but other than that I feel like it's good to go. Pretty much this absolutely is a throw on and go unit. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. If I had to say something that probably makes me just a little I would just say the hairline, but just like I said, that's not a gigantic issue for me because I feel like just the way that this unit falls and the way that it's designed, it's not necessarily made for you to be putting it up and doing a bunch of crazy styles and having it brushed back for you to actually see the hairline. So I feel like that's not really a gigantic issue for me, but I feel like if you're somebody who just likes your units to look as natural as possible and you want to take full advantage of the hairline, that's probably going to be something for you guys to look out for. So let's just jump into the pros of this unit. The pros on it are number one, the color. The color is absolutely beautiful. The wave pattern, these crimps are really, really just perfect. They're just perfect. And the more that you brush them out, the fuller it gets. I did comb it out with my wide tooth comb, and I'm just loving it more and more. Like, I'm photo shoot ready. This is also one I wouldn't mind wearing outside, which is pretty great. The texture on it is great. The density, the actual hair quality itself feels very nice. So I honestly think this one is definitely a banger, you guys. And if you're questionable about getting it, if you're into crimped sort of hairstyles, I absolutely would recommend this one. I feel like Outre definitely did it. They did it with this one, and I would pick it up again. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.